I'm Pinellas County Commission Chair Brian Scott, and I'm pleased to announce that you can now apply for new hurricane recovery funds from Pinellas County. Our new People First programs will be awarding millions of dollars for county residents to rebuild their homes, find an affordable place to live, or get reimbursed for storm-related expenses. These new programs are part of an $813 million disaster recovery grant the county received from the federal government after last year's storms. They are separate from previous programs you may have applied for, and you may be eligible even if you were denied funds from FEMA or Elevate Florida. We created our 5 new People First programs to target our community's biggest unmet needs. The first program reimburses you for repairs that you've already made. The second helps pay for the repairs you still need or to rebuild your home to meet flood codes. The third reimburses you for rent, utilities, and other financial hardships. The fourth will help with down payment and closing costs to buy a home in Pinellas. The fifth program is for local landlords who want to repair units to rent as affordable housing. Our first priority is to help people with low to moderate incomes, but some of these programs also help middle-income folks who are still strained by the high cost of storm repairs. In the future, we will also be launching programs to help small businesses and nonprofits and investing in our countywide infrastructure. The good news is, if you need help, you don't need to figure out which of these programs is right for you. When you apply online, we'll ask you some basic information, and a case manager will help guide you to options that fit your situation. To get started, visit recover.pinellas.gov. The website will tell you everything you need to start an application. You can also call 727-606-3307 to talk to someone about the process. If you need more help, we've got case managers offering in-person service too. You can find times and locations on our website. These programs are open to anyone who lives in Pinellas County except for St. Petersburg. St. Pete received its own funding and will have programs just for their residents. Hurricanes Helene and Milton disrupted so many of our lives. We are grateful to be able to help many people who are still struggling with these new programs. Get your application started today. Visit recover.pinellas.gov to learn more.